Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to sign up to your Google Play Store on desktop. So first of all you have to get Google Play Store on your desktop and then you have to click on that. On the top right you can see a sign in option, you have to click on that. Sign in page is opened here. We have to click on create account. You can click for myself, for my child and to manage my business. I'll just click on for myself here. We have to give our name here. You can give our last name here. You have to give a username here and give password here. You have to retype your password again here and click on next. You have to select your country with postal code here and click on phone number. You have to give your phone number here and click on next. A Google verification code will be sent to your device. You have to give the same verification code here and click on verify. You can give a recovery mail address here in case you forgot your original sign-in email. You have to choose your birthday here and year. You have to click your gender here and click on next. Google is granting us the permission to receive video calls and messages. Make Google services including ads more relevant to you. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account. You can click on skip or you can click on yes I am in. Is to click, the only reason to make is to click on skip for not receiving these calls and services, and if you want the services then you can click on yes I am in. I'll just click on skip here. If you agree the privacy and terms you can click on next I agree, or you can cancel also. I'll just click on I agree here. And yes, we are signed up to Google Play Store and it is asking to save our password. You can save it or you cannot save it for further process. And this will be it to sign up to your Google Play Store on your desktop. And if you guys find this video helpful, then you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.